Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing discs and pads on a Hyundai I40. Rears at the moment, I'm going to have to check the front. I think the front will need pads, but we'll go over it anyway and double check it. But I'll show you here on the back. I need to put the rear handbrake. It's an electric handbrake, so I need to put it into service mode. So I'm going to use my XTOOL D8, and we're going to go to special functions, EPB, Hyundai. And we're going to go for an automatic detection. Okay, that was fast. Got everything here. Model I40, 1.7, TCI, yeah. Yes. Read trouble codes, clear trouble codes, pad change mode before change. That's what we need. So we need to go through here, execute, blah, 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 blah. This gives you everything. Step on brake, press OK. Has been completed, press OK. I think if we look in here, rear brake pad in service mode. Okay, we'll get back to you when we're doing a reset. Okay, so we have the wheel off now, and I'm going to use, I'll just give you a quick run through. I'm going to use this impact screwdriver to take off these screws here. These can be very tight at times. So there's two of them here, one, two. And then to take off the caliper is a 14mm socket. So you have two bolts here, two 14mm bolts. And you're removing that. This cross arm here has to come off because one of the nuts is hidden in behind. And this is a 19mm socket and a spanner on the far side. And you can impact that out. And then I'm nearly sure it's, yeah, I have it here. For removing that bracket then it's 12mm sockets. So I'll go ahead and start loosening that and we'll get ready. I already, as you've seen, I've already done the service brake with the XTOOL D8 scan tool. Bi-directional scan tool. I've already got that done. So, and I'll show you again then when I'm resetting the handbrakes after pad replacement, pad and disc replacement. Okay, so let's get started here with this. Okay, you just need to break them free. Dropped it. Now, let's step back free here. This one there. This is the other one. So I'll just leave them aside. Now, just push that in a bit just to make it a little easier to take out. Now, just make sure all brackets, nothing is catching, the fuel line is not bending. And then you can pop out. Oh, they're not going to be easy. Okay. Don't know if you can see here now. I need to get this nut off now. So I'm going to come back to you when I have it done. Okay, so we're back here now and we've done the discs and pads. So we're going to do the reset of the electric handbrake automatic detection. That was fast the last time. Press OK. So pad change after change. So I'm going to press on the brake pedal. This is all the conditions. It tells you ignition off, engine off, ignition on. Step up brake, press OK. Keep stepping until the motor stops. So that's OK. Press OK. Has been completed. Okay. So that is how you do the electric parking. I know you can do it. There's other ways of doing it manually online, but when you have the tool, exit, yes. So when you have the tool, it's best to use it. And what I'm using here is the XTOOL D8. Fantastic unit. I'll actually have in the next week, oh yeah, it's a service mode. Yeah, it's gone off it. So I will have in the next week, I will have a video of programming a key for this car as well. I just need to get the blade cut first, and then I'll be doing programming a key for it in the key programming functions.